Disclaimer. If you're under the age of 13, get the fuck out of here. Hey, how's it going? I know, it's been crazy. The world right now is like, woohoo, woohoo. Not so. I was at the stores today and there was nothing there. I needed to do grocery shopping. No toilet paper, no paper towels, no Kleenexes, no meat, no sandwich meat, no bacon. No bacon. Not much shrimp. Not any milk. No yogurt. No cheese. No sour cream. Literally, what the hell? No french fries. No french fries for the fat boy. Seriously, I want french fries. And just so you know, I don't have the Corona. Got the Budweiser. And I'm not sick. I'm doing great. I eat jalapenos almost daily. So. But you're not here for an update on my life. I wish you were. We'd be doing more stuff than just that. But we're here for this. I was at the Walmart and I was looking for something nice. They really didn't have much, but I saw this and I was like, ooh, I'm going to get the ToxtricityV Box. Oh. Has anybody been getting the new releases with the VMAX raids in Sword or Shield? I have Sword, of course, and I just the other night got myself a Galarian Rapidash. And since I can't seem to find the Surfetched or the Farfetched in the game, literally cannot find it, I ended up getting I ended up doing one raid with it, so I got one in the raid. So this comes with a Cosmic Eclipse. Hopefully there's a character card in there. That'd be rad. Evolutions. I already got the Misty card from this, but I would love to get another one. Sword pack. Sword and Shield pack, should I say. And ginormous card. Ooh. Very nice. Once I figure out how to get this thing out. There we go. And that's a card. Ooh. Yeah, the ToxtricityV card. In this room, so it's hard to see. Alright. Now I gotta put this in something. There it goes. Put all the cards in binders now. I had to buy a buttload of binders just to get some Sword and Shield cards one day, a while back. Let's get into this. Shall we start off with Evolutions? Not very 100% sure the trick to this, so we're just going to get into it and hopefully come out with something awesome. Maybe not, but, you know. We get Pikachu, Machop, Growlithe, Onyx, Nidoran. Ooh. Staryu. And we get a non-holographic Electrode. Let's hope it doesn't self-destruct. Ooh. And Porygon. Alright, there we go. That's it. Done. Show's over. No, we still got a couple more. But give me a second. Alrighty, so let's go with the Cosmic Eclipse. Let's hope it eclipses the Cosmic. That made no sense. Don't mind me, I am a little bit strange at times. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And that will leave us with Fairy Energy. Ooh. We got a Milo and a Lana tag team. Wow. Tangrowth. Lily's Full Force. Oh. So powerful. Oddish. Ralts. Sandcastle thing. That thing. Ooh, that guy. Shiny. And nothing. A Earth Spring. Ooh, doesn't do anything. So rad. So awesome. So, oh no. Alright, we're getting into this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire. Mantine. Hammer. And nothing. Nada. Oh. So, anybody playing with the Sword and Shield stuff, how's your surprise trading going? I've literally gotten all 3 of the starters, extra Score Bunny, an extra, I think it's Inteleon. I'm not sure what the original water one is, but I got a second one of those. Gotten 3 Eevees, 2 Riolus, a Larvitar, 2 Charmanders, and a Squirtle from it. A couple other things too, but I'm just totally psyched with those. I'm hoping to get a Bulbasaur soon and go from there. Can we get last pack magic? Something amazing. Can we get something amazing? Like spectacularly amazing. Like mind-blowing amazing. Can we do it? I don't know. Steel. Ugh. Hop. An annoying little bastard. Krabby. Ball toy. Ooh. My Little Ponyta. And we got the Frost Moth. The Moth. Ooh. This is a gold card in the next pack, in the next version they're doing. Though I hear that maybe only in the Japanese version. You might not get it in the American version. They're not 100% sure. I do not have full info on this. Do not trust me because my sources are just hearsay. It's like listening to the news on Facebook and believing it. Don't do it. Well, okay, so we've gotten to the end. It's been great. So, for all those who stuck around with us to this point in time, shall we show off some things? Okay. I say we should. It's about time. So, there you go. Code cards given. Get at it. Hopefully you get something cool. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in, stopping by, and hanging out. Let's totally 1 year, 1 decade, 1 day do this again. I mean, really, let's do it again. Just haven't really been all that busy, or haven't been around much. I miss y'all. Do you miss me? Better. But I'll still come back no matter what, because this is all just for me. It's my hobby, my fun time. You're just enjoying me. Okay, seriously though. Talk to you guys later.